Hello everyone, this is Moshe, the Electric Israeli, and today we are going to talk about a very interesting news out of the Detroit Auto Show. One day I'll make my way there. I really want to go one day. I usually go to the New York Auto Show. Okay, anyway, the CEO of Ford, one of my favorite car companies in the past, Jim Hackett, his name, and he announced that there are plans for 2022, I believe, to bring, to electrify the most popular car in America, and that's the Ford F-150, Ford truck, Ford F-150. It is the most sold car in America, hands down. Very, very popular car. So the question is, if it's very successful, oh, there's one. There's a Ford F-150, I just passed it. Can you see it? No, I don't think so. Anyway, it's right behind me. Coming up. Anyway, so the Ford F-150, there it is. Now you can see it, maybe. He said that it will be electrified. They were talking about a plug-in hybrid version of the F-150, which will make no sense. It's a big car. Plug-in hybrids are complicated. So it will be electrified, and the question is why. Now we know that Ford is investing a boatload of money. I think $11 billion in electrification. Ford, until last year, used to be in the top 5 of plug-in hybrid sales in the United States. They're basically down to oblivion. The Ford Focus is not selling anything. The C-Max, I think it's discontinued. The Fusion, my first plug-in hybrid ever that I owned was a Ford Fusion Energy, and that's still selling, but the rest are not. So they are investing. Obviously, everybody sees the future. Everybody sees where the market is going in terms of EVs. And so that makes sense. And electrifying the best-selling car, in my opinion, would be amazing. I will not buy it. I find no use for trucks or SUVs. I will not buy it, but a lot of people will. Also, it may be that Rivian, you have made a lot of videos about Rivian, coming up in a couple of years, start to take reservation, and Tesla Model Y and Tesla truck are coming down the pike. So maybe they see something that is coming down and they don't want to miss, and I don't blame them. Tesla is doing a quite hostile takeover of the automotive industry, and they're not paying close attention. So that is encouraging. As you know, that Ford is not going to sell or produce any sedans anymore, except for the Ford Mustang, which I used to own, one of my favorite chick magnet car back in the day. That was way back in the day, not now. And it's just great. I hope it will happen. Now, I have my suspicions. I don't believe any concept cars coming out from anybody. When I see it, I will believe it. So, but it's good. I thought I would share it with you. I think it has to do with the Model Y, with the Tesla truck and Rivian, and I think it has to do with that. I think it has to do with what they see, and that's great. That would be wonderful. Let me know if you have any more info, any question. I'll try to do my best to answer. Meanwhile, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Help me change the world one electric car at a time. And please support this channel by becoming a patron and use my Tesla link to order your new Tesla this month before the referral program is out. See you tomorrow, guys.